Hey guys, Pete here from the Sundae Drive, and I got some goodies for the Exocet that we're going to be installing today before our first autocross event of the season. We're going to be upgrading to a quick release system for the steering wheel, and of course we got a new steering wheel. So this is all NRG. If you've heard of them, they make quick release steering wheel hub adapters and the kits, so that's what we're going to be doing. Before we unbox these, this is the current steering wheel we have. It's a driven deep dish, and it's really nice. It has an awesome suede finish. It's soft to touch, but it's a little too close to the driver. So we went with a flat steering wheel. Box number one, we have the SRK-160H short hub made specifically for Mazda steering columns. So open this up. This is all you get. The hole has splines. This is going to attach to the steering column of the car and stay there permanently. There's also these two wires for the horn connections. Box number two, we have the SRK-200BK black quick release kit generation 2. This box has some paper, cardboard. All right, here we go. Now, this is the quick release kit. This will separate into two pieces. And finally, we have box number 3, which is this brand new, sweet looking, leather wrapped steering wheel, also by NRG, and it's a flat design. Now you're gonna need to get an 8mm socket, and I forgot Cliff had that. Oh, thanks Cliff. Now don't lose this hardware, because you're actually gonna need to use it. The model number for this steering wheel is RST-012R. I had tried to get the same exact steering wheel as a friend who has an Exocet, but we couldn't find one without the R, RST-012. Turns out the R at the end of this could stand for reinforced, because this wheel feels a lot more sturdy. So we think that they've upgraded this wheel without telling anyone. It was more of a silent upgrade. We've also got the center cap, which also has a horn, and here's the connections for that. And we have this bezel. Like I said before, don't lose these 6 screws, because you're going to need to use those. And the wheel also comes with an Allen key. So let's get this thing installed. To remove the old steering wheel, it's pretty simple. All you need is a 3mm hex or Allen key. And there you go. Watch out for the horn. So after you remove the steering wheel, you're going to want to use a 13/16 socket to remove the center nut. This centerpiece will just pull off. There's nothing special that needs to be done. Just got to wiggle it. Now make sure that when you take this piece off, you take note of the orientation of these plastic pins right here. You're going to want to keep that the same, because when you put the new wheel on and hub, if it's changed at all, your wheel will be off angle. Next, you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 3 screws under this clamshell plastic cover. So remove this. And now you're going to remove these 3 Phillips screws holding on the clock spring. You can actually just pull the clock spring off and then disconnect the wires. We do not need to reuse this when we install the new hub. All right, so now grab your short hub, the one with the splines in the middle. This giant contact patch of metal is how you would connect the horn if you were going to use that. But we're not going to use that, so we don't have to worry about it. Goodbye. Now, there's these 2 holes. You want to line these up with the plastic pins on the steering column. Also, there's a white dot that designates the top. And there you go. Easy enough. Then grab your center nut again and pop that on. And be sure to tighten it to the correct torque rating. Next, we're going to grab our quick release kit and our hardware. Go ahead and separate the quick release kit and take the small piece without threads in the holes and line this up. Be sure to orient this piece in line with the white dot on the wheel hub, and connect the electrical connections if you wish to use the horn. You'll want to use a thread locker. In this case, we're using a blue thread locker, and apply that to the screws so that these won't back out on you. Now take the other half of your quick connect assembly, and we're going to bolt that to the steering wheel. line it up, and then work a magic juggling act. I need more hands. Oh, thank you, magic hand. Third hand. Go ahead and line the horn up. Pop on your cover piece. Make sure they're all in line. The horn is now turned. This is a nightmare. And stick your screw in there. Go ahead and install the rest of these screws. Once you get these all started, it won't hurt to just tighten them in a star pattern. And there you go. Voila! Quick release steering wheel for your Miata or Exocet, or literally any car ever that you want to install this on. Watch this. Nice. Feels good. So there you go, guys. This is how you install the quick release kit, the hub, and steering wheel on your car. Now you can quickly remove your steering wheel, and in our case, it's easier to get in and out of. Also, since we use the short hub, the steering wheel is a little bit further away from our body, so it's a little bit more comfortable to drive as opposed to the deep dish driven steering wheel that we were using before. We are thinking about giving away this steering wheel, so if you're interested, please leave a comment below and perhaps we'll do a giveaway and you could be a winner. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.